So guys, update on my Voyager. Like I said last time, I might have said I flew it and snapped the prop off. But actually this is what happened. I was taxiing and it was a pretty windy day. It knocked it over and the prop was fine. Then when I came back inside and opened it, the prop was off. But here's an update on my Voyager. We got the glue setting on there. And I just gotta leave it alone. We put the spinner back on. We had to take it off. And the spinner, it broke in half while we were taking it off. But just a little bit of glue and the spinner is back to normal. So, yeah, that's an update on that. And yeah, if you guys want to see more RC stuff, like, I promise, this is a promise, when I go out on the airfield and fly it, I'm going to take a video of it. It's going to be called, Voyager Maiden Flight, because it's going to be my first ever time flying an RC at all. So, that's that. And here is the stuff. And the guy my grandpa lived with my grandparents. I'm not adopted. Well, I am adopted, but in the same family. My mom couldn't take care of me, so my mom's parents like a hold of me. I can still see my mom, but anyway, here he is. He's the one that repaired the airplane for me, and yeah, as I said, I was adopted into my own family. After my parents couldn't take care of me, my grandparents did. So here he is. Race plane. Oh yeah, Grandpa, I just watched a video where this one guy got a Cub, kind of like your set, and he spray painted it, and he got decals for it, but he finished it within only a few weeks, because he loves balsa kits.
Well, yeah, but I worked on that one for a long time. The wing, messed up on the wing because the bench I was working on was crooked. Big problems. But anyway.
Yeah, that sucks.
I didn't read the whole wing kit.
So you have to take that apart. Oh, that sucks.
Take it apart. Glue it together, it's there.
I know. I was gonna say, you might break it trying to take it apart, but...
Hey, how many, what do they say on your Spitfire, how many volts that's supposed to have?
How many watts? Volts?
Yeah, what are the watts on that?
150 to 250 watts.
Okay. Say this one, they're talking about a Rimfire 400.
Yeah.
That gets you up to 220 watts.
Oh, that'd work.
I would think it would.
150 to 250. Yeah, that'd work. Anyway, guys, remember, RC Planes for life, and please, like, always have RC planes in your mind, because like a lot of people take pictures of RC planes like they're a new thing, but they aren't a new thing. And like, you barely see them anymore. It's mainly about drones now. And I have a drone, but I'm not as happy as I am with RC planes with it. Anyway, guys, bye.